let me tell you some words about the statistics and the contents of this year's program of the ICCE Berlin. So, first to mention the huge amount of work done by the TPC. We have 107 members in our technical program committee. Not all of them will join the conference, I guess. They carried out 469 reviews. And most of the reviews have been done really carefully. So lots of you have read the comments, so a lot of work. So we had an average of nearly 4 reviews per paper. And on this conference, we will present the presenters will give us presentations of 83 papers. So some distribution about the regions in the world. So most of the papers, here it's counting the authors, come from basically, of course, Europe, Middle East, Africa, together with this. Then we have a big fraction from Asia, and we have one paper from Canada, some papers from United States, Latin America. And really, in terms of numbers of the papers, here the quantization is even more coarse. So this is just here 1 paper, 2 papers, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So we have 20 papers from Germany. Well, maybe it's because of the local the location here. But then we have a large fraction Korean papers, and we have lots of papers from Spain, and then many from Taiwan as well, and we have lots of activities in Serbia. Most of those are a little bit in the area of handheld devices, Android applications. Then we have China, Italy, and so on. So many countries. So here, 1 paper from Canada. Those papers are distributed in many areas. So most of the papers deal with audio and video technology, of course. So here you see the paper count with the topics, but of course there are different topics for 1 paper. So then we have here this area of networking, which is getting more and more important, so attracting more work. And you see here the same story, so networked audio, video, multimedia is getting more and more attraction. And then we have healthcare area with some papers, human-device interaction here with a significant number of papers, not so many in wireless and wireless. And that's it basically to start with. Here, the program you have in your brochure, some paper chairs have to be replaced. As we heard, Hans Sukon is unfortunately sick, so I don't think he may chair the sessions on Wednesday. So maybe some practical comments. So we have the 2 rooms, A and B. So this is room A. Room B will be right here in the back, right behind. I think you have to go around the corner. I think we have a good program structure, so every morning will be started with a keynote presentation, and every afternoon will be started with a keynote presentation, of course, in this room. And then we have the 2 parallel sessions in this room and the other one. Then we have some tours. We have the Tech Watch during lunch. The lunch itself is served right here in this area. So here you have to decide a little bit between some time for lunch or a very short lunch and the Tech Watch tour. Then in the afternoon we have some tours. The welcome reception will take place in this area as well. So for the conference dinner we go to the Seehof, which is mentioned in your material and is the same location as last year. And then finally, when you have some time, on Wednesday there is this tutorial on social media, which is included in the program. And now I hope you enjoy the conference, and we start with the first keynote presentation. Thank you very much.